Welcome to the Data Conversion Tool Training video, Bulk Load Part 2. Part 1 showed you how to open the source file in DCT and connect DCT with the appropriate asset type in Municipal DataWorks. This video will show you how to map your source file to Municipal DataWorks. Left-click on the attribute in the source file, hold the mouse button down until you hover over the attribute in the destination file. A plus sign will appear when the program recognizes an attribute. Release the mouse button and the mapping is created. Repeat these steps until all attributes are mapped and all required fields, as denoted by the asterisk in the destination file, are completed, with the exception of unique identifiers. That will be demonstrated in Part 3. Wait, I forgot a table. If you need to activate another table on the mapping page, click the Show Tables button on the diagram page and select the missing table. Before I go on, here are a few tips. You can expand the source and destination tables by grabbing the bottom and stretching the table. If you don't stretch the table, always scroll through the attribute in the destination file and source file before creating the mapping. To make it easier, you can move any table. Simply grab the top of the table by left-clicking the mouse and drag it to a new location. Always place the attribute in the destination file in the middle of the table to make sure you map the source data to the correct attribute in MDW. I prefer to organize the mapping so that I can trace the map and ensure I haven't made a mistake. There is nothing that will tell you that you've mapped a length field in the source file to a width field in the destination file. If you map source file attribute to the wrong attribute in the destination file, you can delete the mapping and start again. Simply right-click on the incorrect mapping and select Remove. Then repeat the mapping of the attribute. Lifecycle event and lifecycle event details must be mapped to the appropriate tables. If you have more than one lifecycle event or condition and performance value, those values can be bulk loaded separately. There is a setup that can be done to bulk load multiple lifecycle events. However, I find the file setup to accommodate the bulk load of multiple lifecycle events to take longer than bulk loading the event separately. See the video, Bulk Load Update. You're almost done. Thank you. The data conversion tool is a product of ASI Technologies Incorporated.